Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit to the useful features category. Here we have to pick the shooting methods. And now at the second place we have voice commands, so this is audio control here, and this option allows us to take a picture without touching the screen by saying some keywords like smile, cheese, capture, shoot, and also we can record videos by saying record video. By using this button from the right we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep this turned on, let's go back to the camera and let me try to take a picture by saying, for example, smile. And as you can see, this is how it works. The photo was taken. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.